Okay, supposedly these are dinosaur tracks. And then here's what was called, I think, the Lion's Back that people used to Jeep down until somebody lost their brakes and went over the side. So they've closed it down now. Now, if you can get this full scope of it.
According to the guide here, he said those tracks here to these tracks here was one step of the dinosaur. That's probably, what, 10, 12 feet?
Some of it can flip-flop around.
Okay, Cheryl and I stopped at Spanish Valley Winery to have a wine tasting. This really cute little winery, and it's on what side of Moab? South side of Moab, and it's just a lot of fun. The boys had to go to a parts store, so they probably enjoyed the parts store as much as we enjoyed the winery. Okay, there's David.
We got our parts.
They got their parts. Here's Stuart at the Spanish Valley Winery, and Cheryl. Cheers. What was your favorite?
The Riesling was my favorite.
I haven't decided yet if I like the cab or the Shiraz better.
Yeah.
Danny, who loves the music.
Metallica.
Because Stuart has been playing Metallica the whole time we're here, which is awesome. And they grow their own grapes. They're mostly German grapes, right? Right. All right, here I know.